Hi guys, for today's video guys ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ako dito nakapag-withdraw sa Niki through GCash. Dito sa Niki guys ay beans po ang income nyo dito at kailangan active po kayo sa pagla-live at i-claim nyo guys ang inyong daily broadcast reward. Ang minimum withdrawals dito guys ay dapat makaipon kayo ng 100,000 beans or 10 US dollars. So dito guys is nakapag-ipon ako ng more than 2 million beans at mag-withdraw po tayo ng $200. Kung GCash naman ang ginagamit nyong withdrawals method dito guys, ang maximum withdrawals po niya is $200 at ang monthly maximum is $1,000. At ito naman guys, ang iba pang withdrawal method sa Niki Live, and this is for Philippines guys. So meron USDT, EP, Binance, Bankcard, Union Bank, Bank of the Philippines, BDO, Maya, Payoneer, at PayPal. At ang ibang withdrawals method din na dito guys, lalo na yung mga bank cards, ay wala po itong limit sa maximum withdrawals. And also guys, here in Niki Live is available of many countries. At dito guys, at nag-withdraw po ako ng $200 ay kailangan pa po i-confirm yung amount nyo bago po kayo makapag-withdraw. Kapag withdrawable na po guys yung amount nyo, your payment are settled with the same day withdrawal and the same day arrival. Then guys, after 2 hours, na-receive ko din yung GCash cash out ko with the amount of 10,644.36 pesos from the Netbank. So guys, just try to download Niki Live now and happy earnings. And then thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, and share my YouTube channel, Inday Buding.